Hey guys, today I have a empties for you guys. So I have quite a few products and I'm just gonna jump into it. This is where I go through stuff that I've used up as far as like bath, beauty, and makeup, and give you guys a mini review and keep it moving. I will have all the products that I talk about listed down below. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. So let's get started. And the first thing is these Walgreens Gentle Cleansing Cloths. These were just okay. I needed wipes and was in a hurry and just picked these up, and they were the cheapest thing in Walgreens. They're not my favorite, but they're not bad either. So they're just like, eh. Next up, I have the Aveeno Positively Radiant ones. I really like these. They leave your skin super soft, and I like the kind of scent that they have. It's kind of like a really natural, clean smell to it, so I really like the Aveeno ones. And I just feel like Aveeno as a brand, I really highly enjoy like a lot of their skincare. Highly recommend if you need a good moisturizer. Their stuff is really good for drugstore. Next up is something that I'm a little sad about. These are the First Aid Beauty. Woo, what happened there? First Aid Beauty Facial Radiance Pads. These are to exfoliate, tone, and brighten. And sadly, I wasn't able to fully use them up and they dried out. And because I have like a whole nother like tub, I just thought I'd just get rid of what's left here. But these are really good for exfoliating, for really using, especially in this pore area. They really help tighten your pores, like make them smaller and really tone. You could actually use these on your face, neck, and décolleté, and it says that you can use them once or twice a day. And these also, oh, I don't see the main ingredient here, but these are really nice for exfoliating. Highly recommend. Next up is something that I've fallen in love with. I love the smell of this. This is just personal preference because smell just depends on you, but I love the smell of this. This is the Soap and Glory Get Enriched Quick Bath and Body Oil. I use this in the bath and love the way this leaves my skin. This just leaves me so hydrated. I absolutely love it. A lot of times what I do is like when I'm taking a shower, right before I'm gonna step out, I will like just smooth this all over. Maybe just spread a little bit of water on top and then get out of the shower, and this just leaves your skin like, oh, so hydrated. It smells so good. I love this. I think I've already repurchased this like 3 times and I just can't get enough of it. Next we have the Garnier Whole Blends Repairing Mask. I love this. It smells like honey and I love the scent of it. It leaves your hair super soft. It's a really great drugstore brand for hydration for your hair. Next is a product that came in one of the beauty boxes. This is the Vita Yellow Fresh Cleanser. This kind of has like a lemony citrus scent to it. Does a really good job as far as like just lathering and really cleansing your face. My husband fell in love with this and really enjoyed it as well. Next is my all-time and true favorite cleanser of all time. This is the Peter Thomas Roth Anti-Aging Cleansing Gel. This is absolutely amazing. I can't say enough good things about this. This is oil-free, anti-wrinkle technology, helps brighten your skin with glycolic acid, salicylic acid, citric acid, extracts of peach, white oak bark, lemon, lime, linden, grapefruit, and arginine. It's for all skin types, and this is just amazing. Definitely, if you haven't tried it, I love it, and I highly recommend anyone to use it, even if you have like scars on your face, acne prone, whatever it is. I feel like this is really good for all skin types and highly recommend. This is just amazing. I know it's a little pricey, but it does come with 8.5 fluid ounces and will last you a good while. Next up is something that I feel wasn't worth the price point. This is the Maeyls Get Sprung Enriched Stretch Mark Oil. This is very similar to the bio oil. It smells like it, it looks like it, except for it has a pump, and I don't know, it hydrates really good, but I didn't see like really big changes in my stretch marks. This was on sale and I really wanted to try it out. It says to apply a dollop of oil every morning and evening. I used it for quite a bit. It just helps really hydrate the area, very similar to bio oil, but if I'm not mistaken, this is more pricey, and this is only 2 fluid ounces. So to me, I'd rather just get the bio oil and really hydrate those areas than actually use that. With stretch mark oils and creams and such like that, what they do is kind of like diminish them and kind of make them smaller smaller. It's not going to make them disappear because nothing except for actually going to get a surgical procedure or going to like a dermatologist or a beauty consultant, or you're going to get them removed. So basically it's just going to minimize them, but this is just very similar to bio oil, and I prefer the bio oil. Next up is the Summer's Eve Active Cleansing Wash. This is for all my girls. You need this in your life. I love Summer's Eve or any of these like washes. I feel like it just really helps hydrate your area and also like remove odor, sweat, and just keep it pH balanced and really nice. So I always have one of these in my shower. I don't think I've ever talked about it here on my channel, but I thought I'd just put it out there. Let me know if you guys want like a feminine hygiene video, and I will do that as well. Next up is the Fenty Skin Total Cleanser. This is a really great cleanser. It's not like one that's specific for anything. It's just kind of like one of those gentle ones, kind of like the fresh one, where any skin type can use it, but it's not targeted to anything. So it doesn't have any active ingredients like the Peter Thomas Roth, but it's really nice for every day. Next, I have some Truly products. This is another one of those brands, kind of like Maeyls, where they have like a lot of promotion. They show a lot of before and afters that are very unachievable. And so I fell for the hype of this. Bought this when they were on sale at Ulta. They smell really, really good. I will give that to them. They are very hydrating. They feel really great on the skin, but they're not miracle workers, okay? It doesn't take away like your cellulite. It's not going to make your skin like amazing and firm and lift up your boob in 3 days. You know what I mean? Like, you're only gonna do that by losing weight or going to the gym or getting a surgical procedure. Basically, I got the Cake Maker. This is the tightening butt and leg serum. Smells divine. Love the hydration from it. Really, really nice as far as like hydrating, but other than that, it's not gonna do like any miracles on your legs. I also got the Dulce de Leche's Firming Boob and Belly Serum. Likewise, it has coconut milk, retinol, cocoa butter, hyaluronic acid. It's really, really great on the skin, very hydrating. They smell really good, but in general, like, it's not gonna do like miracles. Like, I feel like they have a lot of like false marketing when it comes to both of these brands, where they show before and afters that truly are not achievable. And another thing that I didn't really like about this is that this is pretty pricey. It's like 20 something dollars. It's in a glass bottle, and the droppers halfway through using this stopped working. And that's one of the reasons that you still see product in here, because I got tired of fighting with it, trying to get product out, and was like, not doing it. So that's something that kind of will deter me from buying again, was that the dropper stopped working and it became a pain to actually get the product out and try to use what was left. Next, we have, I feel like every single Empties I have one of these, so I'm not going to talk too much about it. This is the Tree Hut Scrub. Best body scrub ever. Go get you some. Also, I have some mascaras in here. My L'Oreal Voluminous Primer. This is a really great primer for drugstore. Really enjoy it. The brush isn't my favorite, but overall, if you're looking for a good eye primer, eyelash primer, that one's great. This I actually get sent to me every 3 months because I can't live without it in my collection. This is the Thrive Causemetics Liquid Lash Extensions. Love this. This is basically like lashes that, like a liquid lash that extends your lashes. And then on top of that, they're tubing mascara. So then when you take a shower, like the whole thing just fluffs off and is amazing. Next, we have the Tartelette tubing mascara. This is what comes closest to the Thrive one. When you look at basically the wands are almost very, very similar, if not identical, if you can see it there. I think Tarte basically tried to dupe the Thrive one, but I will say when you wash your face, this one gives off like chunks and kind of like leaves that blackness in your like under eye, so it's harder to take off than this one. This one is literally a tube that will like floss off completely, like it just comes off, while the Tartelette is a good dupe for it, but they kind of failed on the formulation. It's not as great as a tubing mascara as the Thrive. So over these two, the Thrive wins. If I was looking for a close second place, then the Tarte would be it, because it literally has the same wand, but the formulation is definitely not the same. Next, I have the Essence Lash Princess, and I really like the wand on this as well. As you can see there, it's kind of very similar to the Thrive one. Really great, especially because I think this is only like $2 or $3. If you're looking for a really cheap, good mascara, this is it. The only thing is that this will give you raccoon eyes. You definitely need to cleanse and take off your makeup, do like a double cleanse, and then even then wipe around your eyes, because this will, you know, make you look like a full-on raccoon after taking a shower. And that's one of the reasons that I really stick to the Thrive a lot, is because I hate that like extra overly cleansing around my eyes. Next, I have some balms, and I absolutely love it. I bought the package which has the different scents. This one is blueberry and this one's orange. And I absolutely love this. If you're looking for a great face balm, like to cleanse your skin, Farmacy is where it's at. If you're looking for a good drugstore one, I also used up this one. This is the e.l.f. Holy Hydration. This is really good, and one of my top drugstore ones. Great. This one has a little bit more slippage than the Farmacy. The Farmacy, I feel like, has that perfect consistency for taking off makeup. This one's a little bit more on the buttery, more softer side, but just as good. And then last, I have something that I can't believe I am decluttering from my collection, and this is by Viseart. This is their Theory palette. This is just very old, and I had it in my decision wheel, but then when I pulled it out, because my decision wheel actually selected it, I decided to declutter it. If you look on the, I don't know if it's gonna pick it up, but especially this color right here, it has like little, I don't know what it is, like something's growing on there that should not be there, and so it's time to let it go. I've had this for years on end, like even before my son was born. I've had this since it first came out, and I'll probably put it across the screen how many years it's been, but it's way too old, and it needs to go. It needs to go. But I absolutely love Viseart. These little Theory palettes are absolutely amazing. The pigmentation, just flawless. I've taken this with me on countless cruises, and absolutely love this whole color combination because of the fact that it was just very neutral, beautiful, and just always looked gorgeous. This is definitely something that I will repurchase, and this is the Theory palette in Minx. I don't even know if they still have this available. And this actually has a 36-month shelf life. So this actually was good for 3 years. But there is definitely something growing, especially in these two, that I'm just like, I do not want that near my eyes. So definitely time to part with it. And that is it for my empties. Hopefully all these little mini reviews will be helpful to you. Let me know your thoughts on any of the products down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, for subscribing. If you're not subscribed, hit that little red button. I have social media down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.